Hello student. Today topic is role of system analysis. Analyst. The analyst means who is analysis the whole project, how to perform the project activities, how to develop the software, and the whole activity of the system development, software development is performed by under the system analyst. The act or process or profession of studying of the activity such as procedure, business or psychological function is typically by mathematical means in order to define to its goal and purposes to discover operation and procedure for accomplishing them most effectively. It is performed by the system analyst. All the activity of the software such as procedure, their functional and the every software development activity and the analysis is performed by the system analyst. The role of the system analyst, the system analysis is a person who is thoroughly aware of the system and guide the system development project by giving proper direction to the software development, and he is an expert having a technical and the interpersonal skill to carry out the development of the task required at each phase, and each phase of the software development, the requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, implementation and the maintenance, whole phases of the software development he perform their task. He monitor the every activity of the software development process. Main role he perform firstly he defining and the understanding the requirement of the user through fact finding technique, and he is firstly define and understanding the requirement of the user, which users have needs the new system. He firstly identify it and understand it, and various fact finding technique, various means such as take the interview of the user, such as take the questionnaire, on-site observation. These types of the technique used by the system analyst for the understanding of and the requirement of the users. Next is prioritizing. Priority gives the requirement by obtaining user consent, which which requirement is necessary for the user. This is also consents by the system analysis. Next is gathering the fact or information and acquires the opening of the users. He gathering the facts and the collecting the information from the user for the development of the system, maintain analyst and evaluation to arrive at the appropriate system, maintain analysis. Analysis is performed by the system analyst, evaluation to arrive at appropriate system, for the made the new system and the appropriate system which is more user friendly. The system analyst decide monitor and the decide which system he is made or develop is totally user friendly, means user is easy to work with this new system. Suggest many flexible alternative solution. He every time suggests the many alternative solution to the user. In this way to make the new system, in this way solve your problem, your requirement is how the solve. In this way it is more easily to work. These types of the solutions and the flexible alternative solution is give to the users. Pick the best solution and the quantify cost and the benefit. The cost and the benefit of the system is decided by the system analysis. Which types of the cost is decided by the for the new system, and how many benefits are taken from the new system. This is decided by the system analysis. Draw a certain specification which are easily understood by the user. Draw a certain specification which are easily understood by the users and the programmer in precise and the detailed form. which types of the program is decided by the program is totally precise and in the detail form. Implemented the logical design of the system which must be modular. Every implemented the logical design is a design of the system which must be the modular form, and it show the modules which one is the first module, which one is the second module. Suppose he develop the system for the any organization or any company, decided their department wise module and their activity wise module. Suppose he decided the develop the system for the any company, sales module, marketing module, HR module. Every modules is implemented and the logical design is also decided. Plan the priority for the evaluation after it has been used for some time. Modify the system as needed. Plan the priority for the evaluation and the system is modified when you needed. The system is modified and the updation and enhanced changes are taken. These types of the main roles are performed by the system analyst. Next, these types of the skills are available in the system analyst. First, this interpersonal skill, technical skill, analytical skill, and the management skill. These four types of the skills are available in the system analyst. His analytical skill, his analysis how the system is developed, their problem definition, their problem analysis, and how to solve the problem. Then management skills mean understand the user problem, change, and where is the risk is found. These types of the next is technical skill. He is aware of the new technology. Management skills mean manage the whole the activity of the software development and the system development. First, you see the analytical skill. Analytical skills means system study and the organizational knowledge. Firstly, he know the system study, how to develop the system, and the organizational knowledge. Which organizations you made the software, you know the organizational knowledge. Problem identification. Firstly, identify the problem. For which organizations you made this software. Problem analysis, which types of the problems are arises for the development of the new system. This firstly analysis, and the problem solving, how to solve this problem which are arises in the organization. Sound of the common sense, he know the aware of the which types of the problems are arises, which problems are common. These types of the knowledge these types of the analytical skills are available in the system analysis. Next is the ability to access trade-off, new trade-off, how to trade with new organization and the new business. Curiosity to learn about new organization. In the system analysis is every times work with the new organization. He firstly made the one software for XYZ company. Next times he made the software for the another organization. He have the ability to learn the new organization problem and the curiosity to learn about the new organization. These types of the analytical skills are available in the system analyst. Next is the management skill. Understand the user's problem and their practices. Next is change and risk management. Change, every time the new changes are accepted in the organization and in the system, how to change are made. Risk management, in the system development many times the many risks are found, the systems are failed, not the proper requirement of the users are are made in the new development system. These types of the risks are available in the system. Next is the authority. Authority is due to the every types of the management. management is due to the every types of the authority to the every persons of the software development, and the authority is given to the programmer to develop her programs in proper way. Communication skill, the software the system analyst is play the main and important and vital role in the system development. Communicate with the every project team members and communicate with the users. Proper communicate with the users representative. The users have know the where which types of the problems are arises in your organization. Next is the creativity, the new types of the system. The creativity is found in your new system. Next is the responsibility. The main responsibility is handle the all the whole system development operations. Then the varied skill, vary with the skill, the every employment which are used in the software development, that they have the various types of the skill they use in your software development. These have the these management skills is available in the system analysis. Next is the technical skill. Technical skill is the important skill of the system analyst. The knowledge about the computer and the software, they knowledge about how to operate the computer, various types of the software in the software development. The various types of the software, programming software, database software, front end, back end, these types of the various types of the softwares are used. He aware about the knowledge about the computer and the various types of the software. Keep about the modern development, how to modern and the dynamically they develop the software. He aware about the modern development, know about the system design tool. The various types of the system design tools are used for the development of the software. He also aware about. He also knowledge about the new technology, the various types of the new technologies available in the market, Android, .NET, and the various types of the technologies is available in the market. He also aware about the new technologies. Next is the creativity, how to develop the new system, and the creativity means is the new type and the new way dynamically the softwares are developed. These types of the technical features also available in the system analysis. Next is the problem solving. Many types of the problems are arises in the software development. The modules or the forms are not properly run. Many types of the technical problems are arise. These types of the problems are easily solved by the system analysis, is properly handled by the system analysis. Project management is project is properly managed. Who one is the collect the information from the users, who one is the design the software, which one is the programs the software, which one is the test the software, which one is the maintain. These types of the every activity of the software development is the project management activity. Project totally manage the project, and the project operations is performed by the system analysis. Dynamic interface, the technical skills mean in the technical skills he also know the dynamic interface. Dynamic interface means dynamically interface with the one software to the another software. It is dynamically he know the how to develop the new software and the new technology also. Next is the interpersonal skill. In the interpersonal skill, interface with users and the programmer. Every time they interface with the users and the programmer, users is know the their problems and their requirement, and the programmer is develop the system. In the interface with the users and programmer, the programmer is know to how to develop the user's requirement and how to fulfill their user. They every time they interface with users and the programmer, facilitate groups and the lead smaller teams, facilitate the groups. In the software development, the project team is made, and in the small teams is also formed, the program development, analysis team, coding and testing team. These types of the small teams, and every team leads the system analyst, managing expectation. The whole software is properly managed and their operation is performed properly. Good understanding every problem, every risk, every expectation of the user is properly understood. Communication, selling and the teaching ability, communicate it properly, communicate with the programming development team, and the teaching ability, how to the any suggestions is given by the project team, and the every members of the user representative, they suggest it and it is implemented in your software development. Motivator, having the confidence to solve query, motivate it to programming team. Communication, communicate with the all the members of the software development and the user representative. Understanding it is also the skills are available in the system, and understanding the all the problems are understanding how to solve this problem, how to easy way to develop this system. These types of the and the teaching, these types of the interpersonal skills are available in the system analysis. The four skills are available: interpersonal skill, technical skill, analytical skill, and the management skill. Next is the multifaceted role of the analyst. First is the change agent. The analyst may be viewed as an agent of change. It is important then that the change be accepted by the user. Analyst can secure and acceptance is through user participation. In the role of the change agent, system analyst may select various styles of the introduced to change to the user organization during the design and the implementation. In the change agent, many types of the changes are made in the development of the system. Every times the user participation is necessary. Every time the user's requirement is not fulfilled, then the changes are made. These types of the change agent is the change agent is important roles is performed by the system analyst. Next is the investigator and the monitor. In defining a problem, the analyst will collect and put together all the information to determine why the present system does not work well and what changes will correct the problem. Related to the role of the investigator is that of monitor, to undertake and successfully complete the project. The analyst must monitor the programs in relation to the time, cost and the quantity. Invested where in the software development, in the programming, many time is taken. The time is every time is take the more cost to the software development. Next multifaceted role is the architect. The system analyst play the architect role. He's architect the new system. Many types of the changes are made in the system. Many types of the development activities also performed by the architect. Next feature is the psychologist. He performs all the operations of the system and the system development life cycle. He also monitors all the programming team members and their operations also. He monitor all the I monitor and he observe all the activities and the psychological to the all the candidates and the employee of the system development. He suggests and give to the suggestions to the all the members of the system development, software development. Next is the salesperson. Salesperson is the most important role of the system analyst. Salesperson means every time they made this software for the sales to the new organization. The sales ability is available in the system. He made the software, the system analysis made the software, but it is not sell in the market and it is not purchased the any organization. This of the salesperson sells this system to the another one. This the salesperson's feature is available in the system analysis. Next is the motivator. Motivator, it is the most important features of the system analysis. He motivate to the user to make the new system in your organization. These types of the problems are arises and these problems are solved by the made this new system, adopt the new system, or changes are taken in your existing system. He also motivate the whole project team, whole the software development team. He give the new suggestions also in this way to make this software. These types of the motivator features of the system analysis. Next is the politician. Politicians give to the motivated and he give to the suggestion sheet and the political leaders which way to the give the new idea and the concept. In this way, the system analyst give to the new suggestions and the idea, and the new creativity is given and the new how to implement it, how to solve their problem, how to risk is tackled. These types of the roles of the these types of the many multifaceted role of the system analyst are performed. Thank you.